you doing, girl? Hey, Lou. Yeah, so the power's out. We're having a little ice storm here. And I had a little mishap with my home generator about a month ago. So right now we don't have a working generator. Yeah, and since we don't have one, I'm gonna have to go get one. And you know, whether this power outage is you know, a long one or not, it still makes me realize that I should have one available. Because you know, they can last a few days sometimes, and in the winter it kind of sucks if you don't have heat. But the gas station's got power now, so. A lot of branches came down. Oh, these are low. Touch the ceiling or the roof. And there it is. 170.9 for diesel. I'm glad I filled up where I did, because on the way all the gas stations have been out of power, and some power lines down and everything all around. This might be the smoothest road in the world. It's so nice to drive on. It's like driving on glass. This truck is still bouncy just because that's what it is, but wow, this is nice. I better slow down. Okay, let's check out what type of generators we have here. I think there's two, apart from the big one. Okay, yeah, so we've got this thing. Oh, and that little one. What else is in here? Hey, Lou. How you doing, girl? You know what? I want to go check out the stream before it gets too dark. This cabin needs a lot of work. It's built, I don't know how to say it apart from kind of bad. So, every single aspect about it needs some work. Oh yeah, check out this outhouse. Isn't that fancy? All that cedar. When's the last time I used this thing? What year is this? 2011. Wow, that's more recent than I thought. Lou, let's go for a walk. All right. Now this thing. So how I describe this thing is more than just a little bit heavy. It's really heavy. So I have no idea if I'm going to be able to get this today. All right, who knows if this is going to work, but let's try it. So I've got this set up so that it just clears here. I guess first step is to see if I can get this thing out of the shed. I want to try to get this right in the middle. I don't think this is going to work. Let's see. Alright, is the camera still looking? We are losing daylight, so. Ooh, I don't know about this. Yeah, so I can't lift it. I'm gonna see if I can jack it. Better watch my toes here.
Oh, it's gonna be close. Oh man, it's gonna go that way.
Oh shit, that's as high as it goes. There's no more than that. Oh my god, it's so close. Fuck. It's this close. No, it's this close. What should I do? Maybe I'll try to rig up this, let it down, and put something under that jack. That's what I'll do. No. Oh, that's funny. Okay, we'll try again, but a little bit different. Last time I was just hooked on the front of the starter. I feel like that was a bad idea.
Top of those.
Okay, so I'm more than high enough now. Let's get some safety factor into here. If I go down, I won't be able to go up again. Because the up and down lever on this jack is being blocked by one of these rungs now. So I think I'm going to try to back the truck up a little bit. Oh my god, this is sketchy. All right. So it turns out I do have my come along. It was behind the seat of my truck, and I have chains. So I've got this chained up, going under, then up over here. And let's see if I can pull this whole thing on like a sled without it going like this or like this. It's going to be really hard. Wish me luck. Let's see how stupid I look doing this. It's coming, unless it flips off. Don't flip off. You know you want to come home with me. Oh, it's getting caught there now. Should I just pull it? Let's try. Oh. Upside down, doesn't matter. Let's go. Get in here. I can do it now with just pushing. I think. Yep. Yep. Okay. Now I want to unstrap it from the ladder. Get it on its feet and tie it down in the bed of the truck. And then you know what? I'm not even done. Holy crap. I still have this that I want to get. This is almost as heavy, I'd say. Maybe not, but actually maybe it is. You know what? If I have to come back for that, oh well. Let's get this done first, because we're not home free yet. We're in, but I'm pretty stupid, so things could go bad. All right, so it's in the truck. Finally, holy crap. That took probably, I don't really know when I started, but probably about an hour and a half, maybe. That was, I'm not going to say harder than I thought, but it was just as hard as I thought, you know? You know what I mean? Like, it was every bit as hard as I thought it would be. Okay, that was fun. I didn't think I was going to be able to do it, and you know, when it fell off right at the beginning, I thought that was pretty funny. But let's see if I'm stuck. Well, a little bit. Now I spent the night in my cabin and just heading home, but my four-wheel drive light is stuck on. That thing like never works, so I'm gonna have to look into that. I don't think I'm actually in four-wheel drive. It just started working and decided to stop working, but in the stuck on position. So the power's still out. I'm home now. I'm really hoping that I can get one of these working. But first is breakfast. Alright, so look at this thing first. Oh, it's seized. I just broke this. It's completely seized. All right. Maybe I should just look at the other one first. Because if this is seized, that sucks. I didn't even pull it that hard, I didn't think. All right. Let's see. No compression. Yeah, so the big one's seized up, and this one feels like it has no compression at all. So, yeah, check the oil and then pull this valve cover. It's got a spark plug, right? Yeah, it does. Let's check this one out. Yeah. Has oil. Okay, time to pull the valve cover. All right. Wonder if these valves are just out of adjustment. Let's that one feels all right. That one feels tight. It'd be cool if that's all it was. All right. Yeah, that one's way too tight. That's the exhaust valve. That's the one that usually gets tight. I need a ratchet. Not sure what type of tool you're meant to use on these. Maybe they make a little tiny square wrench or something. But oh, it's not tight anymore. All right. So let's just kind of set this until. Actually, let's just check it. Oh yeah, it's got compression now. That's all it was. So let's set this until it's touching and back it off. So we have a little bit of play, and then tighten this guy down. Check it. Okay, loose. Okay, I'm gonna throw this valve cover back on and we'll try to fire it up. All right, let's see what's in here. Yeah, it looks all right. I don't think I see water in there. A lot of dirt, but I think it's all gas. All right, let's see what happens. That's awesome. Sounds really good. Let's see if it's making power. Turned out to be a really nice day. That little yellow generator worked out really well. I'm curious what is wrong with this thing. Well, it has oil. Looks dirty, but all right. I'm gonna end up pulling this cover off, seeing if there's anything actually blocking the flywheel. Okay, I'll start with pulling this off then. The recoil. Oh. Oh, it threw a rod. Yeah. Boom. Boom. All right. I guess maybe I can get parts for this engine. I don't think there's a hole in the block. At least I didn't notice one. Yeah. That's funny. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna continue digging into this thing. But I think that's the end of this video. I at least got one working generator out of this and 2 projects. I'm excited to start working on this big diesel generator. Looks like I dented the fuel tank pretty bad when it fell off the wood pile there.